Good morning, my lovelies. It is currently Tuesday, December the 18th. There is just too much to do and not enough time to get it all done. And I'm kind of freaking out just a little bit, but it's okay because we got breakfast and we got a hyper bab, and I'm gonna make coffee, and it's gonna not suck here very shortly. So let's get it on. Guys, look, I wrapped presents with Grandma's help. Thank you, Grandma.
You're so welcome. My pleasure.
Look at this. I got Mama's wrapped and I got Grandma's wrapped. But now I gotta wait for Nathan and Patrick's presents to finish arriving in the mail. But 2 out of 4 done. Guys, I'm supposed to be being productive. I'm supposed to be like putting all the crap that I don't want, which is like 90% of the stuff in my closet, into the Goodwill box. And I'm supposed to go outside and get the Goodwill box and put it together and put my shoes in there and then put the clothes in there. And I'm not feeling it. I've literally been goofing off on my phone for the past like hour. I wasn't even supposed to be wrapping presents, but I did that. Being productive is overrated. I'm gonna lay here and be a jellyfish. Okay, bye. Okay, so I have since moved upwards because I know that if I lay on that floor much longer, my chest is gonna hate me when I go to get up. So here's the plan of attack for today. We're gonna finish my room, and by finish my room, I mean I'm gonna finish packing the box of school crap that probably should be gotten rid of, but I'm sentimental, and also it might come in handy again at some point. And also at some point we're going to Walmart and or Target and or the craft store because I need stuff for my jewelry, and I need poster tubey things so that I can protect my Jack Spadacy and my Big Time Rush poster and my Danny Sock Pond and Ninja Brian poster. I don't know words. I don't know. Also, please look at my amazing Jack Spadacy poster. Like, it's even signed. It's got a little Sammy on it. And there's a really cool story about it. So we were in the merch line. Well, I say we. Me and some people that I had met during VIP. We were in the merch line, and one of the girls had gone ahead of me. And she was like, does anyone have $10 to loan me? And I was like, here, have my money. Because at the time I was like loaded because chess. I was doing chess like 4 to 5 days a week. And so the merch guy was super cool. And he was like, here, have another poster. And my dumb ass didn't understand. But then I was like, oh, thank you. And then I ended up with 2 posters because I got this one for VIP. And, since my dad was running kind of late to get me, I ended up standing with a mom, and her son didn't have anything, so I gave him my extra poster, so good vibes. That is one thing I love about being in the Jacksepticeye community, is that, like, we're all friends, and we all, like, give to each other, and we all are, like, it's just like a big old family, and it's really nice. But yeah, so I gotta get things for that poster, the stuff on the wall behind me, and my Danny Sexbang and Ninja Brian poster, and yeah. Let's get going. Guys, look, I found a cuddle bug. Yeah, what else? Uh-huh. Yeah? Oh my goodness. What else, Cuddlebug? Yeah. Very interesting. Anything else you'd like to add? She's trying to escape. Would you like to... Okay. Bye-bye. Time for food. Nom 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 nom. Guys, look, I found my water bottle. Things are looking up. Huzzah! Happy days. You see, Mamima? What do you think about baby? Oh my goodness. Yeah? Uh-huh. And what else? Yeah? Did we go on an adventure? And where'd we go? Yeah, we went to church, and then we went to a different church, right? Okay then. in. Alright, I'm sorry for the way that videos have, what the hell even is my face? I am sorry for the way that the videos have been, like, the last several days, and you're not even probably gonna see this until after Christmas, but it's been chaotic, to say the least, around here. Because, like, one minute we're doing something, and then it's like, oh, hey guys, we're gonna go do this thing now, okay. And then no footage of it shows up because either, 1, I'm super stressed, 2, I'm being asked to do things, or 3, I'm trying to be in the moment. And it just makes for really shitty videos, and I'm sorry for that, but just, like, moving is hard, moving is stressful, and it's not doing it's doing a number on my mental health too. Well, I'll make a video about it later. Remind me, guys, I need to make a video about dissociation at some point, but that is for later, not right now. Right now, I'm ending this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up because I appreciate, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my antics. Home stretch, guys. Get through tomorrow and Thursday and Friday morning, and things are gonna go a lot better. But I just have to get there first, and I have to pack all of the crap that is currently surrounding me into boxes, and it'll probably stay in boxes because I don't trust us not to move in a year. And my mom can be bitter about that all she wants, but you know what? It's just gonna be what it's gonna be. And also she can, like, be bitter about the fact that I don't trust a fucking person, that it just that's a rant for tomorrow. I'm sorry. I'm going to bed and I'm going to stop talking now, so bye. Love you. See you in the morning. Bye. Good morning, my lovelies. It is currently, what day is today? Wednesday, I think. It's December 19th regardless. My butt has to go to work. My butt has to pack. My butt has to do a lot of things, and there's just not enough time to get it all done. Let's get going. Also appreciate the makeup because you know how rare it happens. Also, there is a quote, baby, hold on. Mima, Mima. Mima, 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 Mima. Can you say good morning to the peoples? Uh-huh. What have you got there? Yeah? Are you getting into trouble? Nope. Guys, look at this pretty journal my Secret Santa gave me. Like, just look. It's so beautiful, and I love it. I love it. It's amazing. Also, please don't hate me for, like, not recording anything today. We had today, tomorrow, we'll be up at the new place on Friday, and then Saturday we're actually moving. You can't even see me. Like, what the heck? What the heck with the lip? There we go. That's better. That's a little bit better. So, yeah. Things are just gonna be kind of hickledy-pickledy for the next 3 days. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking care. That's where I am with life right now. And also, this fucking lipstick can go to hell. And also, I got my bi-weekly visitor, and I am dysphoric and angry and just not here for life. So I'm gonna play The Sims and go the fuck to sleep. And tomorrow we'll maybe suck less or suck more. I guess we'll find out. But for real though, I'm gonna go scrub this lipstick off my face because it is driving me fucking nuts.